Hello and welcome to 3D Printing 101. I'm Caleb and I'm so glad that you're here. Quick before we get started, I want to go over what you're going to learn in this course. So this course is designed to take complete beginners step by step through the process of making their first print, making their own design, and printing out that design. Then we're going to go really deep into some cool printing techniques that allow you to make crazy things. It's gonna level you up so much. You're gonna learn how to make big stuff like this, even on a normal printer. You're gonna learn how to make 3D scans. This is a 3D scan of my head that I printed out, and I used that same model to make this giant version. I'm gonna show you the exact techniques I used to do both of those projects in this course. We're gonna learn so much more, but I can't cover it all right now. This week, here's what we're gonna go over. First, we're gonna go through the basics of 3D printing. You're gonna learn the parts of the printer and just how it works in general. Then we're gonna learn about what printer you should actually buy. If you already have a printer, you can skip this part, but I know a lot of people get caught up because there are so many printers out there. It's just tough to make a decision. I'm gonna tell you exactly the criteria, things to look for, and I'm gonna give you a guide on how to find the best printer. Then we're gonna go through filament, talk about what filament is, how it works, the different kinds, and how to choose the right one for you. I'm gonna take you through your first 3D print. I know that's what everyone is excited for, but we have to do some things in order to get there. Then I'm gonna show you how to download files from the internet and print whatever you want for free and customize those files so they work with your printer. Show you how to set all that up. It's super easy. Then we're gonna go through the process of making your very first design and printing it out. As we go through this process, I strongly recommend that you post your efforts, you post your prints inside the community. The community is a great place to ask questions, post your successes, and just learn more about 3D printing. But quick, a few ground rules for the community before we get started. Number one is be respectful. We're all in this together. We're all on the same mission to learn how to do this. So make sure that when you're commenting on other people's posts, when you're talking in the community, you're keeping it respectful and supportive. We want to build each other up, not tear each other down. If we do that, we're all going to grow faster. That also includes not swearing. I know it's hard, but we're trying to keep this a place that's safe and open for everybody. Number three is keep the focus. I know it's easy to get distracted and it's good to have fun, but make sure that when you're posting in the community, if you're selling stuff, if you're just talking about random things, if your posts aren't checked, you don't fact check them or spell check them, then when people come into the community, they're going to be confused. And this is a place for us all to learn. Anyways, if you are ready and you want to get started, then let's go. I'll see you in the next lesson.